everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you like anything that's pink, girly, love shopping, hauls, and decor, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notifications, and follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some beauty holiday gift sets. I have a few here in the back and I'm just like ready to start using them. So I am going to start off first with something that I got at Sephora today, and I will be doing a totally separate video on that for the Sephora VIV sale. I got a bunch of stuff, but I ordered them online and I have not received them, so they are running a little bit behind. But this one here is so cute. It's the Laneige lip mask set. You get 5 lip masks and they are so cute. This was only $21 and you literally get 5 little minis. It does come with a little applicator and I love this brand so much. I do have the face mask and it's incredible, and what an amazing deal. This was only $21 from Sephora. So from Marshalls, I did pick up some items as well for my hair. Like I said, I am trying to have my hair be just more healthier and not use so much heat in my hair when I'm styling it. So I decided to get this set and it's so good. It's a hair roller set. You get all these hair rollers, 24 hair rollers. It comes with a comb, some hair clips, a little bag, and it's basically everything you need. And this was on sale for $6. Like, wow, this is such an incredible deal and it's so cute. This is like a perfect gift set, by the way, and they had multiple ones. So yeah, I can't believe these are like back in style. I haven't used hair rollers in like forever, but this is a great alternative. And if you have like layers or if you just want like volume, these are amazing. This next product I got because it's literally just been viral everywhere, so I decided to try it out. It is the heatless curling set, and look at everything that you get in this incredible set. Oh, I just dropped everything. Okay, let's try this again. So this is the set and you get the heatless curler right here. I don't know how to use it, so I'll definitely have to watch some videos, but it's supposed to curl your hair and it's very gentle. So you get this and you get 2 satin scrunchies, you get a hair mist, you get some clips, and you even get this little clip right here. And this entire thing right here was only $7.99. I could not believe it, so of course I had to get it, and I'm just so glad that they had it in pink. So these 2 sets right here are the ones that I am so excited for and I really want to use. These are from the brand Pacifica and you can get these at Whole Foods. These are incredible deals. So let's start with this one first. This one here is called the Bright Stars Glowing Skin. You do get the Glow Baby serum, which is incredible for your skin, and then you get this reusable brow mask, which I really want to try. This here is supposed to be reusable and it's supposed to be for those like brow or frown lines right here, which is incredible, and I'm very excited to try it out. It does come in a little tin can, which is great. You can store it. And then let's go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like. It does have like a really beautiful wintry print, and the mask just looks like this. So I'm very excited for this, and like I said, it does come with the serum. I have tried the serum before and it's incredible, so I highly recommend it. Up next is this other set, also from Pacifica. This here has 3 face masks, and this brand is one of my favorite ones. It doesn't irritate my skin and it just leaves your skin super glowy. So you do get 3. You get the Stress Rehab Mask, you get the Super Green Detox Mask, and the Glow Baby, which is personally my favorite. So you do get these 3 sets and they come all packaged so cute in this adorable holiday box. Last but not least, look at this incredible set. This one here is called 12 Days of Beauty, and like I said, you can find this at Whole Foods. This is an incredible deal. Look at the size of this box. It's huge. So you get a bunch of products in here. I'm going to open it up. So this entire box has a retail value of $100, and you get some incredible items in here. You get full size and minis. This is everything that comes inside the first part. There's a second part to it. Basically, you get some face masks, you get a facial lotion. This one here is a full size, so I'm very excited for this. Plus it has SPF. You get the vitamin C serum, you get a body wash, leave-in conditioner, and hair growth multivitamin. Such an amazing deal. And then the other part that is behind it, you get some more products. Again, you get full-size products right here, and then you also get some minis. There is another Glow Baby facial scrub. It's a face wash. This is my favorite, and I'm actually really excited because now I have the face masks, the serum, and then I have the face wash. So I have the whole set. There's also a bath bomb. So yummy. This one is from Pacha Soap. Love that brand. There is a French lavender mist. There's a bubble bath. There is Moroccan rose aluminum free deodorant. It's like a little mini, perfect for travel. And you do get a shampoo and conditioner, mini size as well, for travel. So I really love these sets, and these are things you would never think your grocery store carries, but they have incredible deals. So I highly suggest you guys check out your Whole Foods and check out these amazing deals. These are always my favorite, and I always love getting these for the holiday season. My husband actually picked these out for me, and I was so excited when I got these. He got some for me and my daughter, so we love these things. So that was it for today's video. I love you all so much. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.